happens when nature's strongest birds collide. Talons, beaks, wings, and kicks. Each of these birds is a weapon. In this video, we imagine hypothetical clashes between the most powerful birds alive today. No myths, no favoritism, only strength decides the winner. Number 10, pelican. The pelican is massive, with a wingspan over 3 meters and a powerful body built for endurance. Its beak can hold large prey, and its size alone intimidates smaller birds. However, the pelican is not a fighter. No sharp talons, no killing instinct. In a direct confrontation, it relies on size. And size alone isn't enough. Verdict: loses against any aggressive or armed opponent. Number 9, great horned owl. This owl is a true predator of the night. Its talons deliver a crushing grip capable of breaking bones. In ambush attacks, it is lethal. But in a fair, face-to-face fight, the owl suffers from one problem: mass. Against larger, heavier birds, it is overpowered quickly. Verdict: deadly assassin, but not built for heavyweight combat. Number 8, peregrine falcon. Peregrine falcons strike with terrifying speed, using precision and momentum to kill prey mid-air. Against unarmed birds, the falcon dominates. But in prolonged combat against larger armored opponents, its light body becomes a disadvantage. Verdict: speed kills until size fights back. Number 7, mute swan. Often underestimated, and that's a mistake. Mute swans are extremely aggressive and territorial. Their wings are strong enough to break bones, and they fight relentlessly. However, they lack lethal weapons like talons or hooked beaks. Verdict: brutal brawler, not a true killer. Number 6, shoebill. The shoebill looks prehistoric and fights like it. Its massive beak strikes with incredible force, capable of killing fish, reptiles, and birds in one hit. But it's slow. If it misses its first strike, faster or more aggressive birds take control. Verdict: powerful weapon, weak mobility. Number 5, secretary bird. This bird fights like no other. Instead of claws or beaks, it uses powerful kicks. Each strike lands with the force of a sledgehammer. Secretary birds kill snakes by stomping them into the ground. But against heavier birds, their specialized fighting style has limits. Verdict: ground combat specialist, deadly but situational. Number 4, Andean condor, the king of the skies by size. With a wingspan up to 3.3 meters, the condor dominates the air. It's not a hunter, but in combat, its mass, wings, and endurance overwhelm most flying birds. Smaller predators simply can't control it. However, it lacks sharp killing tools and struggles on land. Verdict: sky dominance through size alone. Number 3, harpy eagle. Now we enter true apex predator territory. The harpy eagle has the largest and strongest talons of any flying bird. Its grip rivals that of large mammals. It hunts monkeys and sloths, prey heavier than itself. In aerial combat, few birds can survive its attack. Verdict: the strongest flying predator on Earth. Number 2, cassowary, often called the most dangerous bird in the world. And for good reason. The cassowary possesses a dagger-like claw on each foot. One kick can disembowel an opponent. It is fast, aggressive, unpredictable. Very few animals, bird or mammal, survive a direct encounter. Verdict: a living weapon. Number 1, ostrich, the undisputed champion. The ostrich is the largest and strongest bird to ever live. Its legs deliver devastating kicks capable of killing large predators. It can run faster than most animals. It can fight for long periods, and its sheer mass overwhelms all opposition. No wings, no claws, just pure power. Verdict: no bird defeats the ostrich in a fair fight. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you in the next video.